Dear students, welcome to the video class of the chapter area bounded by the plane curve. Okay, now Brahmanath. Om Shanti Shanti Tanti. Dear students, in last class we discussed the definite integration and properties and some problems. Today we are going to discuss the area bounded by the curves on a plane. Before that we should know the graph of the curve. So let's discuss about the graph of the curve. First, this is straight line equation. And this is graph, and this is graph, and this is graph. Okay, now equation and graph. Suppose this is y is equal to x. This is equation of line passing through origin, line passing through origin, and its graph is like this. This is x-axis, y-axis, x dash, y dash. This is origin. So line passing through origin. This is the equation of the line y-axis products, and this is 45 degree, and also this is 45 degree. Okay. Now x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is equation of line in intercept form, and its graph is, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is the line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, where a and b are positive. A, this length is what? B, and this length is a, this point is 0b, and this is what? A0. For example, what is graph of x by 3 minus y by 4 is equal to 1? What is its graph? Its graph is what? Its graph is, this is x by 3 means this point 3, 0, and y by minus 4 here, that is 0, minus 4, and the graph is like this. This is x-axis, and this is y-axis, and the graph is what? Graph is, and x by 3, this is x-intercept, this is origin, this is 3, 0, this is 0, minus 4. Okay. Now this is the equation of straight line. General form of the equation of straight line is what? Ax plus b. General form of the equation of straight line is ax plus by. This is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. This is general form of the line. You have to reduce into intercept form, then draw the graph. Now equation of circle. Now what is equation of circle, and what is the graph of y is equal to mod x? This is number 1, This is number 2, and number 3 is what? Y is equal to mod x. Y is equal to mod x. Its graph is what? Its graph is V shape. This is x, this is y. If x is equal to 0, then this is 0, and x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, y equal to 2, x is equal to minus 2, y equal to minus 2. So the graph is like V shape at the origin. At the origin, this is graph of y equal to mod x. Okay, now graph of y is equal to, suppose, x minus 2, mod of x minus 2. Here, draw the system, coordinate system. This is x axis, this is y dash. When, what is critical point here? Critical point means this should be 0. So if x is equal to 0, then its value is 0. So when put x is equal to 0, it is 0. So at the point 2, 0, this is 1, this is 2. At the point 2, x is equal to 2 means this y is equal to 0. At the point 2, 0, it is V shape. At the point 2, 0, it is V shape like this. It is V shape like this. Okay, now this is circle, x square by what? X square plus y square is equal to r square. Here center is what? Center 0, 0. Radius is equal to what? R. Radius is equal to r. So the circle is what? Like this. This is center 0, 0, and radius is r, and this is r. So this point is what? R, 0. This point is what? 0, r. This point is what? Minus r, 0, and this is point is 0 minus r. Now the standard form of the circle. Standard form of the circle: x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. The center may be, if hk positive, then the circle is near. If for hk greater than 0. Okay, for this h less than 0, k greater than 0. For this h less than 0, k less than 0, and for this h greater than 0, k less than 0. This is the graph of the standard form. General form of the circle. General form of the circle. General form of the circle. General form of the circle: x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, where center is equal to minus g minus f. Radius is equal to root over g square plus f square minus c. Okay, this is the center. That is general form of the circle. Now the graph may be here, may be here, may be here, may be here, depends upon the center of the circle. Okay, now suppose y square, parabola y square is equal to 4ax. That is parabola whose vertex at 0 0 opening right side, opening right side. So its graph is what? Like this. This is a graph of the parabola whose this is vertex B. Okay, this is focus A comma 0, and this is what? Latus rectum. This is latus rectum A 2A, and this is what? A minus 2A. This is latus rectum. This is latus rectum. Latus rectum. Now y square is equal to suppose minus 4x. Y square is equal to minus 4x. Parabola opening left, and vertex at 0 0, vertex at 0 0, and the graph is like this. Now vertical parabola. Now x square is equal to 4a, that is parabola opening upward, like this. Parabola opening upward, and vertex B 0 0, and this is focus A 0. Okay, now x square is equal to minus 4y ay, parabola opening downward, the graph is like this. Okay, so standard form of the parabola, standard form of parabola, that is y minus k whole square is equal to 4ax, opening right side, may be this, depends on vertex. Okay, so y minus k whole square is equal to minus 4ax. The graph may be like this, opening left side, may be this, depends on the vertex. Okay, then this is opening left, opening right, opening left. Now x minus h whole square is equal to 4a into y minus k. The parabola opening upward. This may be this, may be like this, may be like this, depends on vertex. So x minus h whole square is equal to minus 4ay. The parabola may be like this or like, depends upon the vertex. Ellipse. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. The graph is like this. This is major axis, and this point is A0, 0B. This is major axis. The larger axis is called major axis, and this is minor axis. This point is minus A0, and this point is 0 minus B. This is the graph is for A greater than 0. This is for A greater than B. If A less than B, then the graph is like this. Major axis. This is major axis, and this is what? Minor axis. graph of y is equal to 2x. Okay, this is exponential function. This is exponential function, and its graph is, this is x-axis, y-axis, x dash, y dash. If x is equal to 0, this is x and this is y. Suppose x is equal to 0, then y equal to 1. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. 3, 8, minus 1, 1 by 2, minus 2, that is what? 1 by 4, like this. If x is equal to 0, then this is 1, this point. X is equal to 0, this is origin, y equal to 1. X is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, y is equal to 2, x is equal to 2, y is equal to what? 4, y is equal to 4, like this. If x is equal to minus 1, y equal to half. If minus 2, y is equal to 1 by 4, like this. So the graph is like this. The graph is like this. Okay. So graph of y is equal to 1 by 2 to the power x. The graph is like this. The graph is like this. If this greater than 1, the graph is like this, and this less than 1, 0, that is 0 to 1, the value lies between 0 to 1, then the graph will be what? Like this. In general, we can say y is equal to graph of y is equal to 8 to the x is what? Like this. Like this. Y equal to 8 to the x, a greater than 1, and y is equal, this is a less than, a lies 0 less than, a less than x. Okay, this is y equal to 8 to the x, this graph, if a greater than 1, and this is the graph. This graph indicates y equal to graph of y equal to x if a lies between 0 to 1. A lies between 0 to 1, then the graph is like this. If a greater than 1, then the graph is like this. Now what is graph of y equal to x? Graph of y is equal to e to the x. E means what? Value of e nearly equal to 2.718, like this. So its graph is what? So its graph is like this. Graph is like this because it is greater than 1. Because it is greater than 1, the graph is like this. This is origin, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, and graph of y is equal to e to the minus x. This graph will be 1 by e to the x, so it is smaller than 1. So the graph is like this. The graph is like this. This is graph of y equal to e to the x, and this is graph of y is equal to minus e to the x. Okay. Now graph of y is equal to log x to the base a. First case 1, if a greater than 1, the graph is what? Like this. This is 1, 0. Case 2, 0 less than a less than 1. 0 less than a less than 1, the graph is what? The graph is like this. This is 1, 0. Okay. Now graph of another function. Graph of y equal to sin x. Graph of y is equal to sin x. Okay. Sin 0, 0. This is 0. And this is pi by 2. And this is what? Pi. So sin 0, 0. Sin pi by 2, 1. Sin pi again 0. And like this. This is what? 3 pi by 2. And this is 2 pi. Similarly, this is the graph of sin x. Graph of y is equal to cos x. Graph of y is equal to cos x. So cos 0 here 1. This is 1. Cos 0 1. This is 0. Cos 90. Cos pi by 2 means 0. And cos minus pi by 2 here 0. And what is cos pi? This is cos pi 1. And this is like this. This is 3 pi by 2. And this is 2 pi. Okay. And this is the graph of cos x. Okay. Then graph of y square is equal to what? X cube. This is graph of y square is equal to x cube. The graph will be like this. Okay. Graph of xy is equal to any constant c. This is this is rectangular hyperbola. And the graph is like this. These are some standard graph. Now let us discuss area bounded by the plane curve type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4. Okay. Now area bounded by the curve on the plane. Type 1. Area bounded by the curve y is equal to f of x is equal to a, x is equal to b, where a less than b and y equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. So suppose the graph is like this, y equal to f of x like this. Suppose this graph is y is equal to f of x. What is x is equal to a? X is equal to a means the line parallel to y axis. This is y axis. Suppose this is origin and this is a. Suppose a. This is x is equal to a. The graph is x is equal to a. And the graph is, suppose this is point B. Okay. The graph is what? X is equal to B. and y equal to 0 means x-axis. X-axis means y equal to 0. The area bounded by the curve by this and the line this and the line this and y equal to 0. Which area? This area. This area is obtained. Area is equal to limit x limit naba a to b अच्छी एटा a अच्छी lower limit टा a upper limit b is equal area is equal to a to b y dx, where y is function of x. Okay, y dx, where y is function of x. This is type 1. Now type 2. Now type 2, area bounded by the curve y equal to f of x and y is equal to suppose alpha, y is equal to beta and x is equal to 0. This is suppose alpha less than beta and x is equal to 0. Okay, and x is equal to 0. The graph is like this. Suppose this is the graph. Y is equal to what? Y equal to f of x. X is y equal to alpha means the line parallel to x-axis. Y equal to alpha means the line parallel to x-axis. This is y equal to alpha, and suppose this is y equal to beta. Okay, this is y equal to alpha and this is y equal to beta, and this is y-axis means what? X is equal to 0. So the area bounded by this region, area of this region is equal to now area is equal to here. There is two limit, there is bounded by y equal to alpha means y limit alpha, then upper limit beta. This is x into dy, where x is function of y, where x is function of y. Now type 3. Note, if some portion of the curve lies above x-axis and some portion lies below the x-axis, edge like this. Okay, then area, suppose this is A and this is B and this is C and this is D and this is E. So area A is equal to A to B. Suppose this is graph of y is equal to f of x, A to B f of x, that is y dx plus mode of A to B. This is mode of this is C to D. This is suppose A1, this is A2, this is A3 and this is A4. So B to C mode of what? Y dx plus C to D, upper side thile sign likhe darkar C to D y dx plus D to E f of x y ds. This is y ds mode. जो लोअर पार्ट थी वो तक मोड नहीं जुआ था, दैट इज A is equal to A1 plus this is mode of A2. Okay, then plus what? Plus A3 and this is what? Mode of A4. Okay, this is important note. Now area bounded by the curve type 3. Now area bounded by the curve of type 3. Type 3 area bounded by the curves y is equal to f1x, y equal to f1x and y is equal to f2x, y equal to f1x and y equal to f2x, and x is equal to a, x is equal to b, where a less than b, where a less than b, where a less than b. Suppose and y is equal to f1 x is lower curve, y is equal to f2x is upper curve. Okay, so suppose this is the coordinate system, x axis here, y, and the graph is here. Suppose this is y is equal to f2x and this is y is equal to f1x. This is what? X is equal to a and this is what? X is equal to b. Okay, the line parallel to x is equal to a means the line parallel to y axis, x equal to b, another line parallel to y axis, a less than b. So what is the area here? This under this region lies between this and lies between this, okay, and lies between this area. This area is the required area. So required area is equal to what? Area is equal to integration a to b, and this is y upper means calculation of y from upper curve minus y lower means calculation of y from lower curve into dx. This is type 3. Now another type 4, area bounded that is area of bounded by area of the region bounded by area of the region, area bounded, that is area of the region bounded by area of region bounded by area of region bounded by y is equal to f1x, y is equal to f2x, and x is equal to y is equal to suppose alpha, y is equal to beta, where alpha less than beta, and y is equal to f1x upper curve, lower curve, y is equal to f2x lower curve, sorry, this is upper curve, upper curve. Now area is equal to, the figure is like this. This is what? This is equal to, this is equal to, this is not, this is right side, okay? Upper not right side curve. Right side curve, and this is left side curve. Left side curve. So y is equal to alpha here, y is equal to beta here. So area, this required area, this is the, this region, area of this region is equal to, area is equal to what? Alpha to beta minus x right minus x left into what? dy, where x is function of y, where x is function of y. These are the four types how to find the area of the region of the graphs or curve on the plane. Now some problems. Now problem based on type 1, find the area bounded by y equal to e to the x, y equal to 0, x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 2. Now what is the graph of y is equal to e to the x? Solution is area bounded by what is, that is y is equal to e to the x and x is equal to 4, y equal to 0, x is equal to 4, x is equal to 2. This is the question. Okay. What is the graph of y is equal to e to the x? Graph of y is equal to e to the x is equal to, suppose put x is equal to 0, this is 1, put x is equal to 1, this is e means 2.71. So this, so put x is equal to minus 1, that is 1 by e, okay, 0 point something. So the graph will be like this, and where y is equal to 0 means this is x-axis, y is equal to 0 here, and x is equal to 4, x is equal to 2. So first x is equal to 2 here, first write x is equal to 2, x is equal to 4 means what? Here x is equal to 4. Now area enclosed between the graph this by this by this, so this area, this is the required region to find the area. The area of the shaded portion, the area of the shaded, the area of the shaded portion is A is equal to, what is lower limit? This is x is equal to 2, and what is upper limit? 4, y dx. So this is equal to, area A is equal to, that implies area A equal to 2 to 4. What is value of y here? What is y? E to the x dx. So this is e to the x, that is 2 to 4. So e to the 4 minus e to square. This is area of the region, shaded region. Now second question, second bit. Area number 2, solution number 2. Solution number 2, y is equal to x square. Okay, x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. So here x square is present. So the parabola is upward. So the parabola is upward. Y x square is equal to 4y form. X is equal to 0. This is x is equal to 0. Okay, and x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. x is equal to 1, suppose this x is equal to 1, x equal to 1, x equal to 0 means this. So the required area is this. Therefore, area of shaded portion, A is equal to 0 to x is equal to 0 to 1 y dx, that is 0 to 1 y means what? X square dx, that is equal to x cube by 3. This is 0 to 1, so 1 by 3 square unit, 1 by 3 square unit. Okay. Now 3 xy is equal to a square. Now solution is xy is equal to a square, y equal to 0, x is equal to alpha, x equal to beta. Okay. So y is equal to where? A square by x. The graph is, this is rectangular hyperbola. So the graph is like this. X is y equal to 0 means this is y equal to 0. X is equal to alpha means here x is equal to alpha and x is equal to beta, y equal to 0. So this region, area of the shaded region is equal to area of the shaded region. A is equal to alpha to beta yd, alpha to beta, y means what? A square by x into dx, that is equal to a square constant integration 1 by alpha to beta 1 by dx. So a square into log x, limit is what? Alpha to beta. So a square into log beta minus log alpha. So a square into log beta by alpha square unit. This is solution of question number 3. Now solution of question number 4. Solution of question number 4, y is equal to sin x, y is equal to 0, x is equal to pi by 2. So graph of the sin x is equal to what? This is graph of sin x. Y equal to 0 means this is y axis. So this is x axis. Here y is equal to 0. Okay, and x is equal to pi by 2. This is pi by 2. Here this is x is equal to pi by 2. Okay, y equal to 0 here. So area bounded by this region. Area of this region, area of the shaded region is equal to area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region, A is equal to, this is 0. Okay, if y equal to 0, sin this is 0, 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2 y dx, 0 to pi by 2 sin x dx. So what is integration of sin x? That is minus cos x, limit 0 to pi by 2. So minus of sin pi by 2, 0 minus 1. So this is equal to 1 square unit. Okay. Now area bounded by the curve y square equal to x equal to 0, y equal to 1. Solution y square is equal to x is equal to 0, y equal to 1. What is the graph of y square is equal to x? Y square is equal to x graph is opening right side. X is equal to 0 means this is x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, this is 0.00. Y equal to 1. This is y is equal to 1. Okay. And the required region is this. We have to find area of this region. So area of the shaded region, area of the shaded region A is equal to 0 to 1 x dy. So this is 0 to 1, value of x means what? Y square into dy. Okay, this is y cube by 3, limit is 0 to 1, 1 by 3 minus 0 square unit. This is 1 by 3 square unit. Okay, if you write here the limit is in terms of y, then dy, and this is x dy. dy लिखले y लिमिट लिखा पड़ो, ds लिखले x लिमिट लिखा पड़ो. ओके, फार्मूला होची y dx गोटे केस टाइप 1, x dy हो सेकंड टाइप. तो नंबर 2, सॉल्यूशन ऑफ नंबर 2 सेकंड बिट, सॉल्यूशन ऑफ सेकंड बिट y square is equal to x cube, x is equal to 0, y equal to 1. Okay, so what is graph of y is equal to x cube? Like the graph is like this. X is equal to y axis, that is x is equal to 0, and y is equal to 1 here, y equal to 1. So this is the required area. Okay, this is the required area. So area of the shaded region, A is equal to what? This is 0, 0 to 1 x dy. So 0 to 1 x means what? From this is x is equal to x cube equal to y square, sorry, y dx, y x dy, and x is equal to y power 2 by 3. So y to the power 2 by 3 into dy. So y to the power 2 by 3 plus 1, 2 by 3 plus 1 divide by 2 by 3 plus 1, limit is what? 0 to 1. So y to the power what? 5 by 3 into 3 by 5 into whole divided by 5 by 3 means 3 by 5. Limit is what? Limit is 0 to 1. So this is equal to 3 by 5 square units. 3 by 5 square units. Okay. 3 by square unit. 3 by 5 square unit. This is type 2. Now some more questions. Determine the area. Determine the area within the ellipse. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Solution: x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Now this is y square by b square is equal to 1 minus x square by a square. So y square is equal to a square minus x square by this is b square and by a square. So y is equal to here, y is equal to what? Y is equal to b by a root over a square minus s square. Okay, this is y. And the graph of the function is what? The graph of the graph is, this is the graph. This is the ellipse, and this point is A0, this point is 0B, this point is minus A0, and this is 0 minus B. Okay, area within ellipse means what? This is suppose O, A, B, C, D. So the total area of the shaded region is equal to area within ellipse is equal to 4 times of area of O, this is OAB. So 4 times what area means 0 to, this is 0 to A y dx. So 4 times 0 to A, y means b by a root over a square minus x square into dx. So this is equal to 4 times b by a integration 0 to a square minus x square into dx. The formula, what is the formula here? That is 4, formula is b by a, formula is what? X by a root over a square minus a square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a, limit is 0 to a. So this is equal to 4b by a, put x is equal to upper limit a. So this is 0, this is a square by 2 and sin inverse 1. This is 0 plus what? A square by 2 sin inverse 1 means what? Pi by 2 minus, put x is equal to 0. So whole term 0. So this is equal to what? This is equal to 4b by a, and this is what? A square pi by 4. So 4 cancel, a here cancel. So what is pi AB? Area of the ellipse is pi AB square unit. Area of the ellipse. This is question number 3, elements of first bit. Now find the area of the circle x square plus y square equal to 2x. Solution: given circle x square plus y square is equal to 2x. That implies x square plus y square minus 2ax is equal to 0. So center is formula, center is equal to minus g minus f. So what is minus g? Mane center is a comma 0. Okay, radius is equal to what? That is half of x coefficient, that is a square, and plus half of y coming 0. So radius is equal to what? A. Okay. The curve meets x-axis where y coordinate equal 0. The radius is equal to, center is equal to at A0. This is suppose this is A0. The circle meets x-axis. आम सर्कल केमी तार नेचरटा काढ़ा पड़ो. Circle meets x-axis when y coordinate equal to 0. So put y equal to 0 here. That implies x square minus 2x is equal to 0. X common, x minus 2a. X minus 2a is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2a. That is the circle meets x-axis at x is equal to 0, y equal to 0 and x is equal to 2a, y equal to 0. So circle meets x-axis at 0, 0 and this is 2a, 0. Circle meets y-axis when x coordinate is equal to 0. circle meets y-axis when x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, put x is equal to 0 here. So y is equal to what? Y equal to 0. So circle meets y-axis. Circle meets y-axis at 0, 0. So circle meets y-axis at 0, 0. So the circle is like this. Circle is like this. Area of this region. Area of this region. So area of the circle is equal to what? This is 0, this is 2a. Area, suppose this is O and this is suppose A and the B. This area. So area of the circle. Area of the circle is equal to what? Area of the circle. Area of circle is A is equal to, this is 2 times area of 2 times area of OAB. That is area is equal to 2 times 0 to 2a, and this is y dx. What is value of y here? Value of from equation 1. From equation 1, y is equal to. Okay, this is from equation 1. From equation 1, y is equal to, that is y square is equal to 2x minus x square, and y is equal to square root of 2x minus x square. So area is what? Now A is equal to 2 times 0 to 2a root over 2ax minus x square. Take minus common. Take minus common. That is area is equal to here. That is A is equal to 2 times 0 to 2a minus common, suppose x square minus 2x into dx. So area A is equal to 2 times 0 to a square root of x square minus 2x into a plus a square minus a square into dx. So that implies area is equal to 2 times 0 to 2a, and this is minus, this is what? My root over minus of x minus a whole square minus a square into dx. So area is equal to, A is equal to 2 times 0 to 2a root over a square minus x minus a whole square dx. This is the formula of a square minus x square. So this formula is what? X by 2 means 2 into x by 2 means x minus a by 2 into root over a square minus x minus a whole square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse x minus a by a. Limit is 0 to 2a. Clear? Limit is 0 to 2a. Now A is equal to, A is equal to 2 times, put upper limit a 2a minus a by 2, and this is 0. This is 0. This is a square by 2, 2a minus a plus कहते a square by 2, 2a minus a sin inverse 1 means pi by 2 minus, put x is equal to 0 here. So this 0 and this is what? This is 0. First term is 0 and second a square by 2 sin inverse minus 1. So plus sin inverse what? Minus 1. This is sin inverse minus 1. This is what? Sin inverse 1, and this is 0 minus sin inverse minus 1. So this is equal to 2 times, this is a square by 2, sin inverse 1 means what? Pi by 2, minus plus, sin inverse minus 1 means what? Minus pi by 2, minus pi by 2. Okay, minus pi by 2. So 2 into what? A square pi by 4, and this is what? Remaining here a square by 2. Put x, that is a square by 2 here. Here a square by 2. Okay, one thing is left here, that is what? This is equal to 0 first, 2a, first term 0, put x is equal to 0, this is 0 and this is 0, 0 minus a square by 2 into what? Sin inverse minus 1. Okay, so this is minus plus, a square pi by 2, so a square by 2 into minus pi by 2. Okay, so this is minus, again minus and plus, again minus. So this minus plus, okay, plus, again minus. So this is minus what? Minus pi square by a square by pi. Okay, this is what? This is plus sign, plus minus into minus, that is minus here. So this is a square by pi by 4, a square pi by 4. So 2 into, okay, this is 2 into a square, 2a square pi by 2a square pi by 4. So this is a 1/4, that is half. So cancel. So this is equal to pi a square unit. This is area of the circle. Okay, now we discussed the concept of area of triangle using integration, definite integration, that is type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4, and some problems from textbook. In next class we will do some more problems from textbook and some other books, reference book. Thank you. Have a nice day.